eating pasta at the camping ground. Well, we're at the trailer our dinner. So I first saute the garlic to the butter, and then I put like a tablespoon, or at least not a less tablespoon, because there are only two people eating the pasta. And I'm about to put this sauce, or the juice, or a little bit of the boiling water from the pasta. Just calculation, about a cup of the boiling water, a salt, pepper, a little bit of chili. You can avoid this if you don't want. Milk and a heavy cream and a pasta. Once it's boiled, turn it off and let it simmer. Sip this cream. And cut the chicken the way you want it. It's a grilled chicken.